Hey guys, it is Kayla Waller with Waller Adventures, and we are at Disney Springs in Orlando, Florida, and we're going to check out the Christmas tree trail. So stick around, check it out. So here at Disney Springs, they have a Christmas tree stroll, and what it is there are 20 Christmas trees throughout Disney Springs, and they are decorated to certain themes like Pixar, Disney Plus, they got Lion King, Star Wars, things like that. So let's go find them all. decorations as well. I don't really have a favorite tree. Leave a comment of your favorite tree and let us know what you think. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Make sure you're subscribed to the channel. If you are, we greatly appreciate it. If you're not, hit that subscribe button. It will help our channel grow. We're also on Facebook, TikTok, and Instagram. And in the description below, there is a link to our merch shop where you can get cool Wild Adventures merch. You can get our cool Christmas shirt, what I'm wearing right now. They will be in the merch shop till January 1st. So thanks for watching. See you soon, and Merry Christmas. Hey guys, it's me again. If you want to subscribe to your channel, click over here. If you want to check out some more videos, click down there. If you want to check out our cool merch shop, go to the description below and click the link. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.